I'm going to teach you how to test a hard drive to see if it's any good. You want to download a software called Hard Disk Sentinel. It's free. You can find it on the internet. Just surf on Google. Once you have it installed, all you do is hook your hard drive up through your USB. This is the hard drive that's running our computer. This is the hard drive that we hooked up through USB. They're both 100%. If you have a hard drive that's less than 97% health, then it's storage. You could use it for a storage hard drive, but you're not going to be able to run an operating system on it. So I wouldn't install it into a computer. You could get you a hard drive enclosure and format it and say a FAT32 and just use it as backup storage. But I found that if it registers under 97%, if you put an operating system on it, it won't be no time, a week or two, even if it will take an operating system. Most of the time it won't even take an operating system. But if it does, your operating system is going to fail soon after. Your hard drive is going to fail. So, I mean, you just look on the internet. You can find Hard Disk Sentinel, absolutely free. You might have to wait 6 seconds before it to start up after your 30-day trial or whatever, but it still runs. I've been using this same Hard Disk Sentinel for a few years now, and I've tested hundreds of hard drives and reformatted them, and it's always been a good software to me.